Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a ChatGPT not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So the ChatGPT problem of not working can happen if it has been used constantly, and if you're using it quite a while, then that can just simply appear. Sometimes if you're not being able to load it to the chat or anything, then all you gotta do is refresh it. If you're on a website, go ahead, tap on this refreshing icon, refresh the website, go back again and go ahead, enter, and then you can also clear cache file of your particular browser that you have. You can simply go ahead, clear the cache, or you can remove the app and reinstall the app, and then go ahead again, go to your browser, search in the ChatGPT, and you can start using it. It will work out perfectly. Now if you have the ChatGPT app installed in your phone, then you can go ahead, go to your app store and make sure if your app is updated or not, because if the ChatGPT app is not updated, that could be one of the reason as well that why your ChatGPT app is not working. So make sure to check out if it's updated or not. If it's not, then simply go ahead, update the app. That should solve this problem out. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.